Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Note: the heatsink has either 7 or 9 screws securing it to the system board. The heatsink with 7 screws is shown in this video. Peel back the retention tape that secures the memory module cover to the heatsink. Disconnect the fan cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from the retention tape. Remove the 3 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the system board. Note: the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease and thermal pads located between the heatsink and processor components, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Remove the heatsink fan assembly from the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink fan assembly.